Next, Wales has seen its hottest August bank holiday ever, with a village in Flintshire recording the highest UK temperature at just under 30 degrees. But the warm spell will be short-lived as Hurricane Erin moves, bringing heavy rain and strong winds. Welsh Water says most reservoirs are at normal levels, though demand spikes in hot weather. While South East Wales is under drought status because of low river flows and stressed wildlife, Welsh Water insists there's no immediate risk to supplies, but it's urging people not to waste water. Scientists warn climate change is making heat waves longer, hotter and more frequent, even if single events can't always be linked directly. Beachgoers are being warned about unusually big waves and dangerous rip currents along the Welsh coast. The RNLI says swells could reach 3 metres, creating hazards for swimmers, paddleboarders and walkers on high tides. Earlier this month, lifeguards carried out dozens of rescues at Newgale, Freshwater West and Tenby Castle Beach. At Newgale alone, 14 people were rescued in a single day and more than 30 helped to safety. 2 children also began to go under after straying beyond lifeguarded flags, with parents unaware that they were in danger. Water safety officers are urging people to choose lifeguarded beaches wherever possible. And sticking with the dangers of water, 6 children have been pulled from the sea at Aberavon Beach in what rescuers called a major incident. Emergency crews rushed to the slipway on Sunday night after reports that several youngsters were in serious difficulty. 3 were brought ashore using a throw line before Coast Guard officers entered the water to save the others. Lifeboat crews, ambulance teams and South Wales Police were all on the scene. The children were taken to hospital for checks after being assessed on the beach. And in Powys, our falconry centre is racing to save critically endangered African hooded vultures. With fewer than 150,000 left in the wild, Luce Green and Barry MacDonald of Falconry Experience Wales hope to breed their pair, Togo and Hope, to boost numbers. Vultures helped stop the spread of disease by clearing animal carcasses, but poisoning and illegal hunting are wiping them out. The centre says every chick born in captivity could make the difference between survival and extinction. Experts say captive breeding creates a safety net population for future release, describing vultures as nature's dustbin collectors and a vital sign of ecosystem health.